friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create website traffic ads using Facebook Ads Manager, right? As you can see, I'm into my Meta Ads Manager and I'm going to click on create to create a new ad campaign. Here we will select the traffic as our main objective is to get more visits on our website. And now I will click on continue. I will select the manual traffic campaign and then again click on continue. Here we can rename the ad set with whatever we want, as it would be visible to us only. It is for our reference and not for the users. It would not be visible to users, right? So you can rename the campaign by whatever the name you want. Scrolling down, here we are going to select the ad budget at ad set level, not at ad campaign level, as we have already created dedicated video on this. So if you want to know why I am doing so, then simply visit our YouTube channel, check out the Meta Ads playlist, and there you will get the answer. I am unchecking this as well. In A/B testing, we will keep it turned off. In the special ad category, we are not going to select any of the special ad category because our business doesn't belongs to the special ad category. If your business or your ad creative belongs to the special ad category, then you need to select it, else there is no need to select it. Simply click on next. In the ad set name, we will simply rename the ad set by whatever we want. It is just for our reference, not for users. Okay, I have renamed the ad set, and here we will select the conversion location as website, as I want the CTA button of website under my ad, so that all people who are interested just simply click on that button and visit to my website, right? Scrolling down, performance goal, it is asking me whether you want maximum number of landing page views or maximum number of link clicks. I am going to select the maximum number of link clicks, as I want more and more people to click on that particular button. Scrolling down, here we can set the daily budget whatever we want, as I have already set it to $1000 per day. I am interested in spending $1000 a day on my ad creative, right? In the schedule, we can select the schedule of this ad set, as I'm going to run my ad for next 10 days. So I have selected the start date and end date. Scrolling down, in the location, we can edit the location, and as I'm going to run my ad in the office periphery of some radius, so I have just simply searched for the place name and selected it, and here we can enter the radius in which I want to show my ad. Scrolling down, in the audience suggestion, we left an option above also, show more option. We will click on this. Here we can edit the age whom we want to show our ad. The minimum age we can set. Here we can set the minimum age and maximum age. So I will select the maximum age to like this, and I'm going to show my ad to both genders. So I have selected all, and in the detail targeting, we can set the filters whom we want to show our ads, as we have already discussed about detail targeting in our previous video in detail, that you can check by visiting our YouTube channel and checking out the Meta Ads playlist. So I will select the small business owner. You can select any filter as per your business, right? There are basically three types of targeting, that is interest based targeting, demographic based targeting, and behavior based targeting. You can use any one of them or all. Scrolling down to placement, I am going to select the manual placement, as I have ad creative of 1:1 square size and portrait size 9:16. So I am going to run my ads in feeds and stories and reels, and I'm going to uncheck this in stream ads search results because they do not deliver good result to my ad campaign. So I will simply uncheck them, as I am not going to run my ads in apps and sites as well. I just want to run my ads in status, stories and reels, and in the feeds. So I have selected them. I'm not going to run my ad on Instagram Explore Home. As you can see in the preview, our ad creative is displayed to users too much small, and due to which they can't read any text in the banner. Now I will click on next. Scrolling down, partnership ad will remain turned off. Our page is already selected, Instagram account is already selected. In the ad setup, there are two options: create ad, use existing post. I'm going to create ad because I will simply upload my banner in the ad campaign and going to run ad campaign. If we have already posted it on Facebook page or Instagram account, then we would have selected use existing post. Creative source is manual upload, format is single image ad, and we are not going to run carousel ad. Carousel ad is somewhat slider ad that we will learn later. In multi-advertiser ads, we are going to uncheck this. Here we can mention our website URL where we want the people to land. Whatever the URL you want people to land, you just simply, whatever the URL you just want people to land, you can simply enter that URL. It is not mandatory to enter the homepage URL. You can also enter the page URL of your website, right? In the display link, again you can like copy and paste. It is just for display, but people will finally land up on the final URL that you mention over here, right? So let me correct this. Okay, done. You can also add browser add-ons if you want, like whenever someone will visit your website, there would be a call button in the footer side. If you want this kind of thing, you can just simply select, but as I am not interested in adding any button, so I will simply select none. Here in the setup creative, we can upload the ad, image ad. If you want to like show people the site links under your ad, site links could be of like different pages, then you can simply keep it turned off, else you can turn it off. That I would recommend you to turn it off, so that all people land on a single page in spite of different pages of your website. Then I will click on next. I will simply select the banner that I have already uploaded. You can upload a new banner or video by clicking on this upload button and selecting that particular image or video from your system, clicking on next, again clicking on next. Here we can enter the primary text or caption. You can either manually generate, or you can use the AI to generate a good caption for your ad creative, and you can also mention business address with it, and you can create a good catchy headline. Coming down to the call to action button, you can simply select any call to action text that you want people to see on your button. What text you want to display on your button, you can simply select that. For example, I am going to select the book now, and again next. Here in the Advantage Plus Creative, like Meta is suggesting to use its AI technology to enhance your ad creative, but as I am not interested in using Advantage Plus Creative, then I will simply turn all them off and will click on next. We have created a dedicated video on this. Now coming to the stories and reels, our square banner will be displayed, but as you can see in the preview, in the feeds, our banner is showing properly, and here is the call to action text button, book now, and whenever a user click on this button, he or she will land directly upon the homepage of our website, because we have given the homepage link, and here is the headline and all. But in Instagram stories and reels, as you can see, our ad creative is not showing much good, because it supports 9:16 banner, and we have uploaded 1:1 square banner. So in the top and in the bottom, you can see the black lines are coming over here, because ad creative is not appropriate size. So change the ad creative of stories, status and reels with the 9:16 or portrait banner that I have already uploaded. You can upload a portrait banner of your business by clicking on upload and selecting it from the system, and then click save. Okay, here you can mention the primary text, caption and description, and the CTA button, which we have already selected previously. So now our ad campaign is completely ready. Whenever we will click on publish, our ad campaign will get published. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.